And hello, welcome to Swantia. In this second video, we'll see about the Swantia Medical's inlays according to the sizes and manufacturing quality. They are making three types of laryngoscopes: conventional, green system, integrated fiber optic, and green system integrated fiber optic with flexi tip. So and some other like interchangeable fiber optic and spare plastic cases over here in that case. And flexi tip Machintosh blades and miller blade sets also available in this inlay type. Let's see the conventional type of laryngoscope, what they are making in. And the conventional type laryngoscope consists of two types, that is Miller and Mackintosh types, which have blade sizes 00 up to 5. And for the case of fiber optic system, they are making same like Mac and Miller as well, of the same sizes, with the medium size handle and small size handle as well. And for the case of flexi tips, they are making only flexi blades, which is in the category of Mac, as you can see in this website. And there are sizes which have size 3 with medium handle, size 4 with medium handle, and 3 and 4 with medium handles respectively. So this is a brief video of types of laryngoscopes and their packing, their inlays, and the quality they are making. I will make a physical laryngoscope video in coming days about the physical quality they in their type of variety. Thanks and subscribe the channel.